Hi guys, my name's Elliot Forbes, head barber at the MÜHLE barbershop in central London, and today we are talking towels. Now this is great because it comes in a 2-pack. I use the first one hot, pre-shave, and then whilst I'm shaving I'll put that in the sink, put it in the cold water to use it at the end as a cold towel. The second towel then is what I use at the very end to dry off the skin, get rid of any residue, and to get any residue off any of the tools. So there we go, let's get shaving. And as we know, prepping the skin before shaving is an absolute necessity. Using a hot towel has a number of benefits. The steam helps to open the pores up, it softens the hairs on the face, making them easy to shave off. You're getting rid of any dirt that might have built up and starting the exfoliation and lifting the dead skin cells before using the brush. The heat helps to promote the blood flow around the face. And something that I found most beneficial is that it feels so much more luxurious. It turns a common task into something to enjoy and to cherish. It starts my ritual and my little time out from the day where my only concern is trying to make myself look and feel better. Then at the end, using the same towel, I run it under the cold water to bring the temperature way down, soothes the skin, acts as a natural astringent, closing the pores up and helping just to feel refreshed. The second towel I always keep dry and use that to remove any residue or like shaving soap that might be there left at the end. Dries my face. It's also great for using during the shave if you feel like the handle of the razor is wet or if you feel like you're getting shaving cream on it, just to dry that off. Really helps just to clean that all up. For me, using the hot towel at home, it's just a complete no-brainer. Thanks for watching today, guys. Have a brilliant rest of your day. And if you have any questions, jot them down below and we will get back to you straight away.